Alright, I want you to follow me. Let's convert this number in base 2 to base 10. Alright, so we have 11101 in base 2. We have to convert it to base 10. Okay, so follow me, let's do it. Here we have 1 times 2. We are timesing it by 2 because 2 is the base. It is in base 2. So we are timesing it by 2. 2 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1, 2, 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1, 2 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. Okay, so here we have 1 times 2 raised to power 4 is equals to 16 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 3 is equals to 8 plus 1 times 4 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 1 because 2 raised to power 0 is equals to 1. Alright, so here we have 1 times 16 is 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. Alright, so let's add these numbers together. Adding them together, we are going to have 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. That is equals to 29. 29 in base 10. So this is our final answer. Converting this number in base 2 to base 10 is going to give us 29. 29 in base 10.